Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chad with Tech Oasis. I've got a quick video today for you. I'm going to be showing you how to find the serial number for any laptop or desktop in Windows. So what you're going to want to do is go down to the Windows search bar. You're going to type in CMD. We're going to be wanting to bring up the command prompt. You will not need to be an administrator for this. So just click on command prompt and you're going to want to type in the following command. We're going to start with wmic. You're going to want to do a space BIOS, BIOS, space get serial number. There's not going to be any space between serial or number. And then you're simply just going to press return to run the command. And there you have it. It's going to give you the serial number every single time. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.